Today, I'm going to be learning how to solve a Rubik's Cube. There are two goals in this video. First, I must learn how to solve the Rubik's Cube, and second goal, at the end of this video, I must solve the Rubik's Cube in under 1 minute. I'm watching a video right now on how to solve this 2x2 Rubik's Cube, and the first step was to first solve the bottom side, so this is the white side, and then the second step was making sure all the sides, like for example these green sides are matching up, this side is matching up, which is, it's not matching up right now, but I'll match these up in just a moment. But I just watched the entire video on how this guy explained how to solve this, but I am speechless. I've been watching this video for a couple hours now, and this guy makes it look easy. Once I get to the last couple of moves, I think, oh, this is it. I'm about to solve the Rubik's Cube. But I don't solve it. And I'm like, oh no, maybe this is gonna take another day, which probably is, but that is okay because I got this. I can solve this. Good morning, everyone. Today is day 2 on solving the Rubik's Cube. Yesterday, I did not complete it, but today is definitely the day that I do it. Solving this cube is harder than I thought. Watching the tutorial that I am using is helpful, but I'm having trouble remembering the algorithms. I try pausing the video to see if I can solve the cube, but I am breaking the parts that I'm solving. I just put on a whole different video from what I was watching earlier. I solved the video. I solved the cube. How does this happen? I did it though. I did it. But I just need to now remember what I'm doing. So at first, watching the video was a good plan by solving the cube, but a better idea was having notes that I write down to see what moves I need to do. It is taking time, like watching the video, to think of the moves that you need to do, but having the notes down are a faster way of knowing what moves you need to take. Okay, so as you saw from day 1, I was having trouble knowing what I was doing, but now is the time. So it's been about like 30 minutes on remembering the moves, and I could officially say that I know what I'm doing now. Look at what I've done. I have officially done the solve. Look at this.